How to convert video to audio in CapCut. So first of all, open up your CapCut application. Now tap on new project. Now select any video and tap on add. Now select the video. Now at the bottom part, scroll to the right. Now find the option of extract audio and click on it. So here you will get an audio file for your video. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.